So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to test out the charging speed of OnePlus 9 in 3 different modes. One with screen off, second with always on display turned on, and third with completely keeping the screen on. As you all know that OnePlus used to claim that charging speed of any OnePlus device doesn't get affected even if you're using the device with screen on, or you can say while using the device. They used to say device takes the same time to charge while using it. So let's check out in this video, do OnePlus 9 takes the same time to charge the device in all these 3 different modes. Here we have used the stock charger of OnePlus 9 which comes out of the box, which has an output of 65 watts. In all these 3 conditions, optimized charging feature was turned off. Keeping optimized charging feature turned on would have affected the charging speed depending on my usage pattern. Here before charging the device, I completely drained out the battery. And if OnePlus 9 battery is completely drained out, it takes approx 3 to 4 minutes to start charging from 0%. And that's because OnePlus have optimized the software in such a way that if your device battery is 1%, it takes more than usual to completely turn off. And that's kind of useful thing if you're stuck up in any kind of emergency situation. Your device will last around 10 to 15 minutes being at 1%. So here in all these 3 scenarios, time taken by the devices to turn on is 3 minutes 51 seconds, 3 minutes 34 seconds and 3 minutes 51 seconds respectively. And also guys, always on display doesn't work below 5%. So now after 10 minutes of continuously charging, device with screen off have charged up to 15%, device with always on display have charged 22%, 7% more than device charging with screen off. Last one, device with screen on have charged only 12%, which is lowest in all these 3 scenarios. Here charging speed seems to be faster of the device with always on display. We'll check out after every 10 minutes from now and we'll see the results. So after 20 minutes of continuously charging, device with screen off have charged up to 46%. Device with always on display turned on still taking the lead and have charged 57%. Device with screen on have charged only 34%. So after 20 minutes of charging, speed with always on display is still faster, followed by charging device with screen off and screen on. And here are the results after 30 minutes. Device charging with screen off have charged up to 78%. Device with always on display turned on have charged up to 87%. And at last device with screen completely turned on have only charged up to 55%. Still OnePlus 9 is charging way faster in always on display and have reached 87% in just 30 minutes. And from now, we'll check battery percentage after every 5 minutes. So after 35 minutes of continuously charging, device with screen off have charged up to 90%, device with always on display have charged up to 95%, and at last device with screen on have only charged 64%. Still we can see with always on display, device is charging faster, which is about to completely charge to 100%. Let's see which device completes the charging first. So after 40 minutes of continuously charging, device with screen off have reached 96%, device with always on display turned on have reached 99%, and the last one, device with screen on, have reached 74%. And here after 40 minutes, you can see while charging device with screen on is taking much longer than other two scenarios, and have charged only 74% after 40 minutes, wherein with screen off and always on display, both the devices are about to completely charge. And there we go. Device charging with always on display completes the charging from 0 to 100 in 42 minutes 15 seconds. Device with screen off is at 90% and the device with screen on is at 78% in 42 minutes 15 seconds. Now charging is also completed to 100% with the device having screen turned off. Charging time taken is 43 minutes 46 seconds from 0 to 100%. So there's approximate 1.5 minutes of difference between charging device with always on display with that of when the device screen is turned off. So not much of difference here. But when it comes to charging the device with screen on, after around 44 minutes, device only managed to charge 81%. And now we'll see how much more time device takes to completely charge from 0 to 100 with screen on. So the total time taken to charge the device with screen on is 57 minutes 46 seconds, and hence it's proved OnePlus 9 doesn't charge at similar speed with screen turned on. So here are the timing taken by device in all three scenarios. With screen off, total time taken to charge from 0 to 100 is 43 minutes 46 seconds. With always on display, device takes 42 minutes 15 seconds. And with screen turned on, device took 57 minutes 46 seconds to completely charge from 0 to 100. So guys, this was the charging test of OnePlus 9 with screen off, always on display and with screen on. Also, you guys let me know in the comment section below, do you guys use your phone while charging or not? As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.